Bazala bakaMzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about uMusa Mseleku. Guys, yabona this season, as much as we kunegaca eningi on this season of Uthando Nesithembu, but it seems like uMusa Mseleku is going through a lot, guys. Yesterday's episode, it was episode 17 of season 8, Uthando Nesithembu, and guys, we've seen ama-shots ezodlala episode 18. Musa was crying in front of Abongwe asho ukuthi I'm not okay but ngiyancenga ngizoba right. Yabo guys, nje lawo ma-shots lawo, a lot of people I saw nje bazolana noMusa. I for one ngizolana noMusa. At this point angisazi ukuthi amakhosikazi kaMusa afuna ukuthi uMusa yenzeni, as much as khona izinto uMusa azenzayo ngifeel as if hayi man uMusa naye man uyabheda, and we know Musa banokusho uma yena kuye washo ukuthi uMusa ke ukukhala uyakhala, bake basho amakhosikazi wakhe ukuthi hayi umuntu vele onenyembezi. I think it was not season 7, it was season 5 where bengabacela nje ukuthi ucela ukuba no number 5, and kulapho khona uMangwabi asukume khona thena akafuna ukuba i-part of leyo meeting okukhulunywa ngo-number 5. Wasukuma wathi indlebe yakhe ibuhlungu ucela uku-excuse. Musa Mseleku cried athi kubuhlungu ngoba he really wants number 5, but amakhosikazi wakhe amanyamthreatenisha ngokuthi azohamba and akafuni bahambe. Mina ngiyazini lengaka ngoMusa no number 5 because guys, let's just be honest. Yes, ufuna ingane ezo-20, we understand i-age yakhe icala nje iyavuma. I know amandla endoda awapheli, and we know ukuthi indoda can produce kids even if angaba na-90, but isondlo guys, isondlo uzoba ne-financially okay kusupporta umntana athana 70, umntana una-2. Uyabona ukuthi kwaloyo nkosikazi wegcina i-single parent, and now because he had a stroke, uyabona ne-health yakhe akasekho healthy. Mangashawa i-stroke ahlala ku-wheelchair kuyenzakalani ngengane zakhe? Into I think mina ayibheke leyo, angayiforce ukuthatha unumber 5. Indaba ka-number 5 angayiyeki just because I feel as if amakhosikazi wakhe amhluphile, but kumele abheke naye ukuthi isimo sakhe somnotho ese-health ne-age iyavuma na. But guys, it was very sad seeing ubaba omuzi akhala just because amakhosikazi wakhe nje awamameli. And what happened on the yesterday episode ukuthi amakhosikazi wakhe uMusa makayimsama angabi khona, it showed it disrespect. I even saw uMangwabi received a call athi ingane ikubo, so yena kaMseleku mabayenza umsebenzi kibo ngane yakhe, like la shadele khona kibo baba nomntwana bayenza umsebenzi, uthatha umntana umisa kubo kanjani ngoba lo mntana wakaMseleku, why lo mntana bakayivakasha kaNgwabi while kibo kunomsebenzi kuyokhulunywa nogogo umntwana. Understand ezinye zezinto nje ukuthi abaMangwabi bayenza izinto bathi bala eMseleku but balimaza abantwana. Nesidinga idlozi malingasambheki lo mntwana kuyobe ngathi angazi lo mntana kuthiwa kaMseleku, zabe sesiblame unto manje, zabe siblame uMpumelelo. Ayinayo iMpumelelo noma ngizwa, but zabe sengathi uMpumelelo akekho right. Wayathatha ingane azimukisa kubo ekubeni kuzoba nomsebenzi, wayamukisa ingane la azalelwe khona uMangwabi kibo ubaba umntana yenza umsebenzi. Ayi yabona naye le ngishaya ngendlela, noma yena nje i-favorite yami really disappointed me ukuthi angi-understand ngathi ukushisa impepho emsamweni uhlale kakho yini baka-expect ukubizwa. Inkinga yabafazi baMusa Mseleku, uMusa Mseleku I think unesa ama-feelings wabo kakhulu, sebazi abasazazi ukuthi lapha ekhaya bayini, engathi nabo lapha kaMseleku babo amadoda lapha kaMseleku, they forget ukuthi amakhosikazi at the end of the day. And yesterday mhlambe bona they thought they are disrespecting Musa Mseleku, but for me it was not disrespecting Musa Mseleku kuphela, but they were also disrespecting amathonga kaMseleku, abantu bakaMseleku abangasekho emhlabeni, because uMseleku makaya lapha yobika or whatever bekayoyisho lapha emsamo, mhlambe bakayobacelela or something. So maba sebabona amakhosikazi athele ngenyongo walotshola ayenzo yonke into abantu esazuyibhala ekhaya abangasekho abangekho la ngaphakathi kwanomsebenzi wenzulayo, kumele bathini? Ezinye zezinto nje I just feel as if uMseleku naye makaya lapha kuflow kumele amtshele nje at this point ngicela ungenelele, and I feel as if uFlow kumele aqale abonisa amakhosikazi ukuthi la into enizele yini. And then amakhosikazi lawa kaMseleku thuka isikhathi ukuthi uMusa Mseleku ayenze acela abobhuti bakhe labantu babuyele emakubo bayofundisa umthetho, because there's no way lento bayenza izolo guys. Angifuni nokuthi ngithi ibonisa indelelo nje, ibonisa indelelo ayona la ibonisa indelelo, and it shows that kaMseleku abayelanga kuyobuilda, abayelanga ukukhulisa umuzi but bayela ama-agenda wabo ngoba ngi-understand ukuthi ebukhweni bakho ngathi kunomsebenzi uyenzwa kakho uyenzwa myeni wakho bese wena udecide ukuzivalela endlini omunye adecide ukuthi no what ngizophuma ngishawe umoya manje ukungena lapho emsamo. Ezinye zezinto ziyamangaza but bazalwane bami zithu, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.